right, day 3, hot rod power tour. We just pulled out of our hotel in Lebanon, Tennessee, and are on the road to Louisville, Kentucky, L&N Federal Credit Union Stadium, the home of the University of Louisville Cardinals. And we got 2 hours and 56 minutes on the route. And seeing some cars ahead of us. Yeah, we got some tour people here. Here's a Firebird from Ohio. There's a Corvette up ahead. So even though we're not on the route laid out for us, we couldn't get back to the speedway to leave from there. It was backtracking a half hour in the opposite direction. We're just gonna go this way and meet up with everybody when we hit Louisville. No, I'm recording now, so shut the f.
You better edit this part.
No, this is going in the outtake reel. People love that shit. We're rolling along on the route from Lebanon, Tennessee to Louisville, Kentucky. We got a couple of F bodies in front of us, a 98 to 02 Trans Am WS6, and ahead of that is a Hugger Orange.
There's an 8 minutes.
I was interrupted by a slowdown alert. Let's see if I can get out and get around. There we go. We can see the Hugger Orange 69 Camaro up ahead.
A couple of F bodies, a couple of F words.
Well, we encountered a 10-minute slowdown on the route, and I had an opportunity to turn off for a 5-minute fast route. I didn't. I wanted to hang with these F bodies, and then there's about a 69 Firebird pulled off.
Turn left to stay on Brummett Road.
This 69 Firebird pulled off. The 69 Camaro followed, and the Trans Am followed him. So I figured we'll hang with the F bodies and take this route. So, but it's a nice little 2-lane road, windy turns.
Take the next left to stay on Brummett Road.
We're having a lot of fun. Well, after reaching our second slowdown on the trip to Louisville, we have opted to take a faster route that will put us on I-65. So it's not the rolling hills backcountry roads tour that they've created for us, but I kind of like the idea of being able to get on and off the interstate when I need to pee. How about you?
Yeah, I'm all about that.
Take the next left onto North Williams Road.
All right, we have decided, yeah, our friends in front of us are going on the alternate route here. Mustang took off. Here's the 69 Camaro. Trans Am is the 5th gen coming with us. Oh, no, he's not.
He's going straight.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Old Highway 31 East. Old Highway 31 East, number 4.
So
He doesn't feel a link to us. Yeah, if we'd have turned off with the first guy, would be farther ahead of things.
But, I like driving with that. I love that Hugger Orange Camaro and this Trans Am in front of us. So
take the next right onto Old Highway 31 East. Old Highway 31 East, number 4.
The Mustang rider is holding up the roof.
Alright. Nobody coming our way, so we're just gonna go. Yeah, it's fun to travel with everybody, but you know, you don't get much power tour fun when you're creeping along at 15 miles an hour. All right, we just crossed over into Kentucky. We're on the Lincoln Heritage Highway, and we should be hitting 65 here within the next 10-12 miles. So, but it's been a great trip rolling along. So, it's not open yet.
Doesn't look like it's
Doesn't look like it's open yet. I don't know. They got the signs up, but
it looks like construction cover.
yeah. Oh man, there's a Buc-ee's. I've heard all kinds of about Buc-ee's.
In 500 feet, take the I-65 North ramp to Louisville. Take the I-65 North, then merge onto I-65 North.
I thought I missed it.
You did. You got behind it. You got behind the cones.
No, I'm good.
I know what the fuck you're doing.
Well, the Mustang behind us followed me.
Well, so did the Oldsmobile or whatever it is.
Is that the Torino?
That's a Torino.
Yeah, I think that's a Torino. There we go. All right, we made it onto I-65.
Continue on I-65 North for 90.
Oh, we got some Power Tour people coming up, passing us on the right. We got a 50s Ford pickup, a 50s Chevy pickup, and we got a hot rod. And then on our left, a Pro Touring resto modded Chevelle coming our way. Well, you can tell we're getting close to the venue because it's gridlock on Interstate 65. We got about 7 miles to our exit to get to the Louisville Cardinal Stadium, where the Day 3 festivities for Hot Rod Power Tour are happening. And yeah, we're jammed up here getting into Louisville. All right, we made it into the lot. The long hauler parking. We made the haul up from Lebanon, Tennessee. We are on University of Louisville campus, the L&N Financial Stadium, home of the Louisville Cardinals, and been a good ride. We did a little bit of the tour, 2-lane roads, had to do the interstate, went through the construction, but we are here for day 3. Time to get inside and punch our tag. Today, the punch station is nowhere near as long as it was yesterday. So we're gonna.
Oh, there we go. That's awesome.
We're gonna walk on up. We are gonna get our Louisville stamp, and we're halfway for the long haul.
That's a St. Louis body built in Oakland.
So I'll film you punching mine. You punch.
You haven't been through the trim tag on this?
Punch yours.
You filthy animal.
And then punch mine.
Look at it sparkle. I love it.
Got to bend over a bit.
I love those up. Grills.
There we go. All right. There we are. We're long hauling.
With no hat on.